This is an old Gateway NV5387u. That was a hand-me-down from my dad. And it had 4 gigs of RAM and a 320 gig traditional hard drive, and it was super slow. So we popped a Kingston SSD in there and 2 sticks of 4 gig memory, even though the factory says that, or Crucial and everybody says that it will only take 2 sticks times 2 for a total of 4, but it deals with it just fine. I have a similar thing going on with my old Dell Latitudes. Factory said they would only take 2x2, but they were fine with 2x4, and 8 gigs of RAM is plenty for just doing home stuff. So there is that. All very usable. Let's fire up this guy. Oh. Yeah. So it is not a powerhouse, but it's totally fine for home stuff. Homework, which is what my kid will be doing with it. So that. Yep. Micron, it says, oh here, I'll flip it over in a second, but it says they're Micron, but they're branded Computer Bay. I got them from Amazon for about $50, I think. Let's see. There's the model, otherwise known as MS2285 or 5387u. There's also another model number I saw, SJV something or other. I'll put it in the description, but these are all the same. I think it was also sold as a Packard Bell, which might tell you something. It's not an enterprise laptop, but you know, it's consumer grade. It's good, it's nice and solid. So there's the sticks. 2 4 gigs. You used to have these. And 2 of those. So I tried 1 of the 4 gigs in that top bay by first. That one. And it took it. No complaints, booted up. So I tried both combinations of the 4 and the 2 gig, but they're different speed for one thing, so it probably didn't like that, or possibly it just requires that they be perfectly matched. I don't know, who cares? I've got 2 of these 4, so I popped them both in, booted up, recognized the 8 gigs. Ta-da. So this laptop will have plenty of life left in it. I'm gonna try putting Windows 10 on it later, maybe. I don't know. For what kid needs it for, it's kind of overkill. But if I can get Windows 10 on it, it would definitely run better, as I've seen. Anyway, that's it.